5. What to eat when you have a cold. Often, food is the last thing on your mind when you're feeling miserable. Maybe you're just not in the mood to eat. Or perhaps you're nauseous and the thought of biting into a sandwich makes your stomach turn. You've probably heard all sorts of advice about what to eat when you have a cold or the flu, or what not to eat. It's hard to parse out which home remedies actually work and what's just an old wives' tale. Should you feed a cold and starve a fever? 1. Chicken soup. You should have some, and not just because mom says so. Studies shows it clears nasal passages and congestion better than other hot liquids. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect that may help your cold symptoms. 2. Raw honey. In addition to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, raw honey has been shown to help ease coughs in children. Manuka honey, a variety native to New Zealand but available in the US, may specifically help bolster immunity. Take it off a spoon to soothe your throat and potentially relieve a cough, or stir it into your chamomile tea. 3. Coconut water. Coconut water is an ideal beverage to sip on when you're sick. It's rich in electrolytes, which need to be replenished along with fluids when you're vomiting, sweating, having diarrhea, or running a fever. It also contains a little bit of natural sugar from the fruit itself, which can serve as a quick, easy-to-use source of energy for your body. However, one study found that it causes more bloating than other electrolyte beverages. It might be a good idea to start slowly if you've never tried it. 4. Ginger. A cup of fresh, hot ginger tea may seem to be just the thing you need when you're nursing a cold. It helps clear congestion and soothe your throat. And some studies show this spicy root may help prevent the common cold by blocking the virus. 5. Garlic. Scientists think garlic has some things in it that may fight the common cold. There is also some evidence that garlic may prevent colds, but more studies are still needed. Nevertheless, it's a good excuse to toss in a few extra cloves. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.